We got a Whirlpool, but it's a Kenmore Elite. Same thing. Whirlpool has this problem too. It's the ice maker not working. It's the ice maker that typically in the door. Right here, that style ice maker. Anytime I see this style ice maker, I make certain it's on. Right, it is. It's not making ice. A lot of times I activate it in test mode. I know to get in test mode, I usually hold these two down. 3, 2, 1. I'm in test mode. I forgot what test it is, so to figure that out, a lot of times the tech sheet is down here underneath the kick plates. So I take the kick plate off. Take the kick plate off. A lot of times that tech sheet is right there on these Whirlpools. Alright, so we got the tech sheet. We're looking for the ice maker harvest test 44. Ice maker harvest test 44 is harvest, 45 is field. We're gonna hit the change setting key, which is usually the third button once we get to test 44. Alright, let's do that real quick. Alright, we still in. Test 44. Alright, we on 44. And then I'm gonna hit the I think it's 44 should be 1. Ice maker cycle is on. Let's look and see if it's doing anything. Nope, my ice maker's not moving. Alright. So now let me go to 45. Alright, this one takes me back. 45. Should be my water field test. 45 is my field test. Should be moving, but I haven't seen my ice maker move at all yet. So typically, the whole point of this video is to show you because 9% of the time this ice maker is not doing nothing. It won't move, it's not asking for no water. On this one, this is typically the one with the wire get pinched in the corner down here. So if somebody see it, as you can see, let me shine my flashlight. As you can see, I already got one broken wire right here. You can tell. A lot of times this right here is usually never, it's not cut. I usually cut this black piece back. So that's what we're gonna show y'all here in a second. We're gonna cut this and then we're gonna show you how I do the trick. Technically I cut most of this black wires back, cut some of this black one off, and cut some of this black piece off. Sometimes there's a little cover that's right here. It's like a little gray cover. I take that cover completely off. I throw that cover away. It's not needed. But what happens is this wire's been getting pinched. So it got a broken wire. So what I typically do is I try to fix all the ones that's broken. A lot of times what I do is I cut most of them and make it fix it myself. But on this one, like it might be a simple, easy one. Like it might just be one wire that's broken. I only see one black one that's broken, so we're gonna fix that one. Alright? So what I do is just get some regular wires, some regular any wires, and I just cut me a small little piece. Probably need a piece about that might be perfect. And I strip both ends, strip a little piece of that side, strip a little piece of that side. Real quick. Take my wire strippers and I strip a little piece. I get about that much. I get about that much on that side and both sides. So that's pretty much what I do. Alright. So let me cut some of this black pieces back with my side cutters. Use my side cutters. Then I cut some of that black. I use my side cutters and cut some of that black wires back. Try to get more. I want to see more. I want to see more. Make sure I ain't got no other wires cut. So any wire that's pinched, I tend to try to fix it. Try to go ahead and finish cut it. Like that red one, I try to rub my finger. That red one looked like it might have been messed with. So I'm probably gonna cut that and fix that one. Let me see. The rest of them, blue. Dang. What I typically do after I repair it is I trace this wire back to this connector right there. And I usually ohm out between each wire all the way to the ice maker. But if you're short on time, like I said, you can start with one at a time. Like I said, when we first got in here, the black wire was definitely broken. As you can see, let me find it. The black wire is definitely broken, right? I'm gonna take my time because we ain't got that much to play with. So I'm gonna trim a little bit back to that. And I'm gonna hook this wire to this to give it some more slack. And I'm gonna hook the other end to the other side of the black wire. You'll see here somewhere. There you go. Alright, right there. I'm gonna do the red one too because like I said, the red one where my thumbnail is at. It seems like it's kinked a little bit. I'm gonna cut that and fix that too. Alright, I'm gonna fix those two and then I'm gonna check the ice man. Alright, be right back. Alright, just want to show you before I tape it up. But what I do, I call it my ball method. I just ball it up. Switch it together and ball it up. I've been doing this for 10 years. I haven't had one of these fail on me yet. So after I do that, I ball it up and I'm gonna tape it back up. Alright. And then I personally gonna do an ohms check on this one. That's just what I do. So I ain't gotta tape it all the way up until I check the ohms. So I'm gonna take that off and I'm gonna ohm check it from here to the ice maker. Alright, let me take this up and let me get ready for the ohm check. I'll be right back. Alright, got my connector off, my dual ohm check. I'm taped up. To get to this ice maker connector, what I do is usually a screw right here, screw right there, screw right there, screw right there, and they should come out. So I got those two screws right there. And this whole bucket just slides on out. Probably a connector back there for the on and off switch. But I just put that to the side because we about to check. Alright, so you got a connector. These wires coming in from the door. You got to the ice maker. You got 5 white, brown, yellow, dark brown, and black. You also got that black coming in through the door switch. The switch is on, so it should be through the switch. So what I'm gonna do is shove. Let's start with the black, the one we fixed. My meter out. The way I do it is I shove it in the black wire here. So my meter lead is shoved on the black wire. Let me get my other lead up here and find this black wire. See if I bleed. Which black wire? Maybe I can test this one. Let's see. This one coming from the door. You hear it beat. That's a good connection. Okay, the black is working. Let me go to red. So now I'm in the red connector. Let's go to red. Oh, make sure I don't pull red out. I'm down that on red. Alright. Here on red. And I got good beat. Alright, good. Let's go to brown. Pushing in 10. I'm in 10. Let's go to 10. Alright, 10 making a good connection. Alright, go to dark brown. So I'm in dark brown now. Dark brown. Good connection on dark brown. Alright, yellow. Alright, yellow's making a good connection. Alright, and white. Last one is white. Let's see if I'm on white now. So white dead. So that tells me white got a break. This is why I recommend doing this first. So you know. So we know white ain't making a good connection. So I like to rub on it and feel it. I like to rub on it and feel where I'm loose at. And I feel kind of bent. I like to rub on the wire. But right here feel kind of soft right there, like it might be broke right there. So I'm gonna cut that and see. Alright, I'm back. I don't fix the white. I add another one for the white wire. Got it in there. It's no white. Let's just double check again. Check the white wire. Oh, what's the white wire? Backside. Man, we gotta beat. Alright, so we checked all 6 wires. Now your ice maker should start working now. Go back in, test more like we just did. Hit test 44 to activate it, and 45 to add the water. I'm gonna try to show you that here in a second. Let me tape all this back up. Everything is taped back up. Ice cover back on. Let's check it out. Remember, test 44. 3, 2, 1. Let's go up to 44. 44. You hit the start button. Step 1 is ice maker harvesting. When it goes to 2, it's gonna go. Let's look. As soon as it hit 2, you should see it. I can already see the bucket moving. I don't know if you can hear it. I can see it moving. That's good. My bucket's moving. Good. My arm just went down. Arm went back up. And it's back in the home position. You'll know if you have a good test pass because they tell you 22. 22 means good pass. On step 44. Step 44. If you go across to 22, it says ice maker harvesting cycle is off. And the ice maker bucket is not full. That means 2. 2 is good. Now we're gonna add some water on step number 45. 45. Add some water. When I hit the third 01, it should go to the thing. Go to 02. Water fill is off. It's ready to go. Let me hit the third button. 03. You hear the water coming in. I hear it feeling. I hear it feeling. It should stop by itself in a second. And it just did. Alright. 02 meaning it's back off. Alright, so everything is good. That's how you fix this repair. I don't care what nobody say about this wiring. How much am I changing the door? You ain't gotta do all that. I done did this about 30, 40 times and nobody has called me back yet. Okay? Alright. Good luck.